Hello student, exercise 7.2, chapter number 7, cube and cube roots in that 7.2. First question, we already solved that one. We start with second, state true or false. In that first one, cube of any odd number is even, it's false, okay? Because cube of odd number we get odd number, and even cube of even number is even, okay? Odd number is odd and even number is even, so first one is wrong. A perfect cube does not end with two zeros, it's right, okay? Here cube is there, means you just multiply that number with three times with itself, so at the end we get three zeros, not two zeros, so that is right. If square of number end with 5, then its cube end with 25. It's wrong. Because cube of 5 we get 125, that is 25. But cube of 15, that is 3375. So that is end with 75. So third one is wrong. Okay. Fourth one. There is no perfect cube which end with 8. It's wrong. Because 8, number 8 is also perfect cube number, that is cube of 2, okay? So, and each number which are having end point, means at one unit 2 is there, and after cubing of that number we get 8, so that one is wrong. The cube of 2-digit number may be 3-digit number, that is also wrong. 2-digit number, suppose 10, and cube of that number, that is 1000, okay, and 1000 having 4 digits, so it's wrong. The cube of 2-digit number may have 7 or more than 7 digits, it's also wrong. Here already we find cube of 10, that is 1000, okay, only 4-digit number, not 7 digit, so it's wrong. The cube of single digit number may be a single limit. Maybe, so it's right. Maybe, not sure, but maybe single digit. For example, 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, okay? They are the single digit number, and cube of that number we get single digit. So they are perfect cube numbers, and cubing of single digit we get single digit. So that is maybe, not sure, but maybe, possibility, okay? Question number 3. Look, you are told that 1331 is a perfect cube. Can you guess without factorization what is the cube root of that number? Yes, so here we use estimate method, okay? Look, first number is 1331, okay? Without factorization means you just use estimate method. So what to do in estimation method? You just divide that number into two group. In first group you just take last three digit 1, 10 and 100 places, that is first group, okay, and rest of all numbers you just take into second group, okay. Now check the unit place of first group, that is 1. After cubing or cube root of that number we get same digit for 1, 1, 4, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 0. After cubing or cube root of that number we get same digit, and for 2 we get 7, and for 7 we get 2. Same for 3 we get 2 with 8 and 8 with 2, 3 for 7 and 7 with 3, okay. So here 1 is there, so we get same digit, that is 1. Then check the second group. If that is perfect cube, we just write down cube root of that one, 1, okay. 1 is cube of 1, so you just write down 1 here, okay. So cube root of, here cube root of 1331 equal to 11, okay. Same here. Similarly, guess the cube root of these numbers, okay. Here we guess, look, second one second number is 4913. Okay, same here, divide that number into two groups, that is your first group and this one is second group. In first one, what to do, you just take unit place. From second one, you just take tens and hundred places, means other places. So here 3 is there. So after cubing or cube root of that number, we get 7 here. Look, 3 with 7. So our answer is 7. Okay. Now 4. Sorry. 4 is a cube, a perfect cube number? No. Then you just find out between which two perfect cubes number 4 lie. So they are, one cube is 1 and 2 cube is 8, means that is lie between 1 and 8, and smaller one is 1, and 1 cube root of 1 is 1. So you just write down here 1. Okay, that means cube root of 4913 is 70. Next one, that is 12167. Okay, third number. Same, divide into two group. In first group, we just take last 3 digits, and in second one, just take another odd digits. Okay. Now here, in first group, last digit 7. So after cube root of that number, we get 3 here. Now 12 is not perfect cube. Between which two perfect cube, that is lie? So that is lie between 8 and 27. 8 is cube of 2 and 27 is cube of 3. And out of them, smaller one is 2. So you just write down here 2. So cube root of 12167 equal to 23. So easy. Okay. Same for last one, fourth one, that is 32768. Same here, divide that number into two group. In first group, we just take the last 3 digit, that is your first group, and another odd digit into second group, that is our second group. Okay. Now first group, from first group we just take unit place, check the last number 8. Okay, and after cubing or cube root of number with 8 at one's place, we get 2 at one place. Okay, so 8 means 2. Now 32, check 32 between which two perfect cube 32 is lie. Okay, directly if you don't know that, you just write down the cube of numbers here. 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125. You just take 31. 31 lies between 27 and 64. They are 27 and 64. Now check which one is less, that is 27, and that is cube of 3, means cube root of 27 is 3. So write down here 3. So answer is 32. So cube root of 32768 equal to 32. Okay. So here our exercise 7.2 is completed. Same, our 7th chapter is also completed. Okay. From next year we start our next chapter. Okay. Thank you.